Hey friends, today we will study how to create the restore point in Windows 10 or 11. So why do we need this restore point? Basically, if accidentally we install some application and it's not compatible to your system or programs, so every time the program runs it crashes and it's a problem for your system. So to get back to your earlier version or good running version of your Windows, you have to install or configure the restore point. So let's dig in. We first get into the settings and search for restore point. So as we can see, I click on restore, create a new restore point. So as we can see, it's on, and if we get to the system restore, so here on 11th of May, what is installed, Windows modular install. So this application has been installed. So if we click on next, so it will be reverted to the earlier version. So this is the, we can see the is utility and facility and a good benefit of the restore point, that you can reset your system to your good well known configuration earlier it has been configured, rather than going again to install or configure or repair your system. So basically this is off for the system at the initial configuration, but you have to turn that on. So we can also create the restore point for other drives like my D drive. So if I want to create, so let's see, it will create a restore point. So with these settings we can easily create restore point in Windows 10 and 11. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.